Hello everyone, today we'll be going to learn about X default tag in an international SEO. So before diving in, let us first understand what international SEO actually means. So basically, suppose if you have a website and if you want to go global, so suppose if you do not have any specific target location and you want to target across the board, like maybe Australia, Middle East, Europe, United Kingdom, or even the US. So if you do not have a particular location in mind and if you sell your services all around the globe, this is when international SEO comes into the play. Even though rest of the SEO strategies or the tactics remains kind of the same, but one of the essential things which we will discuss in this video today is how to use an X default tag in an hreflang and what is the exact purpose behind the same. So let us first understand what hreflang tag actually determines. So basically, hreflang tag is a particular HTML attribute that you can assign to a single URL, which can show different version of the landing page in different language if people visit the same page from multiple different locations. For example, suppose if I have a landing page example.com, then if I use an hreflang of English United States or maybe an Spanish version or maybe an English of the Australian version. So suppose if an user from Australia visit the same landing page example.com, he will be shown the Australian version of the English. Suppose if someone from Spain visits that particular landing page, then the Spanish version will be shown, and so on. So pretty much this is to trigger Google that if a particular user is searching a particular landing page from a particular location, then as per the hreflang is determined, the appropriate landing page will show. So the question is then what is X default tag? So basically, X default tag, as the name suggests, is a default hreflang attribute which will be showing a particular default page if the location is not specified. Once again, going back to our previous example, suppose we have declared Australia, Spain and the United States, but for some reason, suppose someone from India visits that landing page and we have not defined the language of India. In that case, if we define the X default attribute to show a particular version of the landing page, then if someone visits from India, then that default landing page will be shown. As you can see from the screen, this is how this works. I hope this is useful for you. Thank you.